The big mama, huh? Careful. So this is my father-in-law's sister's pig farm. Lots of little pigs. Very cute little pigs. Oh yeah, it's their siesta right now.